What you guys, got another video here for you. Today we're going to take a look at how you can solve PC problems over a remote connection. Now, getting help remotely with Quick Assist in Windows 10 has never been easier. All you need to do here is go down to your search box and then type Quick Assist, and you can get the person on the other side to do exactly the same thing, and I'll show you how it all works. It's very simple and easy to do. So let's go down to the search box and type Quick Assist, and then click on the Quick Assist icon. So this box will open up, and this will ask you whether you want to give assistance or get assistance. Now, Quick Assist is basically where you can use two PCs that are on Windows 10 to have a remote connection, which will be encrypted, which will allow you to take remote control of that person's PC and try to fix a problem with their PC. So whether it be a friend or family, you can ask for Quick Assist connection between that two computers. So we're going to give assistance to someone here. So we're going to say ask for assistance. Now, the person that is given assistance will need to sign into a Microsoft account, and I think this is actually a good thing because it actually stops people from trying to scam people and stuff like that. So you have to put your details in, and then you will get this box popping up saying the security code, and the code expires. Now, you can copy this to clipboard, you can send it to them via email, you can provide instructions, or you can call them and give them that number. So now we're on the computer and we're going to type Quick Assist on the computer that we want to get help with. So we're going to click on this and open up the Quick Assist box, and this should open up. Now, remember that code on my PC, which was the security code. You need to give this to the person that you're trying to help. They can then type in that code. You've got 10 minutes to do it or the code will end. Click Share Screen, and then going back to the other PC, you will need to then take full control of that PC. Once you click Continue on Take Full Control of the PC that you're trying to help, it will send a signal to the other computer asking for permission to allow that person to share your screen and fix some problems with your computer. So you can see here it will say share your screen. Now, you should see select to allow the person who is trying to connect to your PC. Now, make sure that you're only allowing people on that you trust. This will be a family member or someone you trust to fix a computer issue, maybe a PC repair shop or something like that. Now, remember, if it's someone cold calling you from Microsoft pretending to be Microsoft and asking to connect to your PC, it's a scam, and they will never ever do that, and you're going to end up getting scammed and losing money. So only allow people to connect to your PC that you want to connect to it. Now, once you're happy with that person to connect to your PC, click on Allow, and this will allow the person who's giving you support to connect to your PC. They will now be able to see your computer from their side. So let's go back over to the main system where the person is giving you support and see what it looks like. So this is what the person can see on the other side. So he can see all of your files. He'll be able to see all of your Windows operating system and everything else that you have on your computer. They can do a lot of things from here. They can fix and resolve a lot of problems. Now, the control panel at the top allows them to select which monitor they want to view. So if you have more than one monitor, they can select a different monitor. They can annotate stuff on your screen. They can basically paint stuff onto the screen and things like that. Just in case they want to show you something or highlight something, they can do that by using the paintbrush here, by just choosing a color and pointing things out and stuff like that. And that's pretty cool. They've also got a little eraser here to erase any sort of marks they have on the screen here. So let's move on to the next section, what they have here to offer. So up the top, you've got some actual size, so you can change the size of the screen from this side. So if you want to make a bigger screen so you can see more, you can do. You can toggle instructional channel on here as well. That means you can give them instructions, basically type it out. So if you haven't got a phone and you can't be on the phone to them, you can send them a message saying we need to restart the computer, and you can basically send a message right there on the screen. You can click send and it will reach the other side, and they will be able to view that message once they get it. and it's pretty simple and easy to do. It should be on their top menu system there with that red little icon right there. Now you can also request a restart. So basically what this is going to do is restart the session, and also we have got Task Manager, so you can open up Task Manager here. Gives you access to that area there. Now we also have a pause and stop session, so we can basically end the session right there. Now you can always end the session from your side, so if someone is giving you support and you're not quite happy with what they're doing on your computer, you can always end that session. You don't have to wait for the person that's giving you support to end the session. You can end that session yourself. Very simple and easy to do. And also once they end the session, they can't reconnect. Okay, so if you're worried about someone reconnecting, they can't. You'll have to authorize that, and you can see here screen sharing has now ended, and that is basically the end of the session there. So you can do quite a bit of support via remote support using the Quick Assist inside Windows 10. It's a great way of helping friends and family, especially in the situation we're in right now. It's a great way of helping people out and fixing computers. Anyway, hope this one's been useful to you. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. I shall see you again for another video real soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button and then hit the bell notification button and click all to be notified when we upload new videos.